What's the meaning of CJD? CJD. CJD.
CJD. CJD. CJD stands for Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. It is a rare and fatal degenerative brain disorder that affects about 1 in a million people worldwide. The disease is caused by abnormally folded proteins called prion, which accumulate in the brain and cause damage to nerve cells. Symptoms of CJD include rapid dementia, difficulty with coordination and movement, muscle twitching, and eventually, coma and death. There is no known cure for CJD, and treatment is supportive care to manage symptoms and maximize quality of life.